So in this video, we're going to go through the 100K a month LinkedIn DM funnel that we're currently running across dozens of clients. This is going to be the most up-to-date information on how we are setting up the DM funnels with the setter closer model for our clients on their info products. A little bit about the content strategy, a little bit about the DM cadence, etc. So I have my LinkedIn open here as well. Just wanted to go through a little bit on the profile because the reason LinkedIn works so well is because of how many touch points you have with each individual prospect. So for example, when you go to someone's profile, the big difference here than, for example, like an Instagram is I can go on someone's profile, and if assuming they have something set up, and if you're B2B, they definitely will, is you can scroll through this and see, okay, I can see where he works. I can see where he went to college. I can see his past experiences. He's obviously going to have some posts. I can see specifically what he did in each position. I can see how he escalated through the positions if he has multiple promotions. I can see their certifications, etc. But I can even see their skills, their endorsements, their awards. And this is my profile here, what languages they speak, right? I could literally reach out to someone and start speaking their second or third language if I wanted to, or their native language. And the reason I make this point is the reason that LinkedIn is so powerful is you can get so deep and personal with each individual prospect in the DMs, whether it's outbound, whether it's inbound, whether it's a voice note, etc., because you can now relate to them. And there's so many different ways that you can relate to them. It gives you a far higher probability of having something to relate to with the prospect. So if they have 9, 10, 12 different things on their profile, I can find the one or two things that I can relate to. So for example, if I were to reach out to somebody that was in the military, I would instantly be able to relate because I was in the military. Or if they speak a little bit of Spanish, or they went to my college, or they're from the town near me, right? You can find these things to relate to them with. And that's why LinkedIn is so powerful. So I'm going to run you through a little bit of the math on how we were able to do this. I even pulled up some of my client results here because I wanted to show you real time what in our database, what it looks like. So we have, these are the numbers for almost the last 9 months. I don't know. I can't do math. So this client, we were able to gain basically on average 1,500 to 2,000 followers a month over the last 8-9 months. And you'll be able to see here, we've been able to book on average 25 to 50 calls. And what that does in the follower to call ratio, and we'll go through the math on this. And if you watch my last video or any of my videos, you're probably familiar with personal brand math. But this follower to call ratio is essentially just the metric we use to measure the relationship between our content and then our booked calls, our sales. And it's very much a version of lead to call ratio. So we like to look for an average of 50. As you can see, as you get really good, you can get that down to like 30. Of course, we have some months where it's a little bit higher depending on the kinds of content that are going viral and getting us followers. But my point is, I'm going to show you how we were able to do this. So I'm going to use blue here for LinkedIn. So again, new followers. Let's just say you're gaining 1,000 new followers from your content. Now, the way to do this on LinkedIn, and I know someone asked in another video, is like, this is from the last video. How do we actually gain those followers? So LinkedIn's really easy. A cadence where you're going to want to go with here is 7 posts a week or daily posts. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have some sort of distribution. And the biggest one right now on LinkedIn is comments. So anytime you comment or someone else comments, your post is going to show up on that person's feed. And it's essentially a ripple effect or a compound effect. Every time you get a comment from someone else, it shows up on that person's feed. So that when someone goes on their feed, they see your post. So you want to be optimizing for inbound and outbound comments. And the way you're going to do this is doing anywhere from 25 to 50 comments a day. This might be a little too valuable. I might have to delete this. In conjunction with your daily posts, I recommend, if you have friends in your niche or anything like that, you guys can go comment for comment, something like that. That's great. If not, go 25 to 50 of people in your space or adjacent spaces. The idea is you'd want to show up on the profiles of people who have the following that you are targeting. So for example, if I'm targeting coaches or agency owners, I'm going to be going to comment on people that also have a following of coaches and agency owners, if that makes sense. If you're more B2C, like you're a fitness guy and you're targeting just top executives, go comment on people that executives would follow, other executives, executive coaches, etc. Right? You got to be deliberate with it. So this is the posting schedule and the distribution schedule on the LinkedIn side. And now, assuming your content's actually good, and your comments are good and everything's good and your profile's set up, you're gaining 1,000 followers a month. And those of you guys who follow me know the rest. Follower to call ratio is going to be 50 is going to be our goal here. And on that 50 follower to call ratio on 1,000 new followers, we can get 20 new calls. Calls booked, 80% show rate is going to get us 16 calls, live calls. And if we have a 25% close rate, I'm just going to go closes, or sorry, units sold, 4. And our average client ticket price is like $7,000. So cash collected 7 times 4, 28,000. So that's just on 1,000 new followers. So now if we're getting 2,000 followers, you could just do the math out. We can do $60,000 or $56,000. And if we're getting 3,000 followers, we can do whatever 28 times 3 is, right? And this is exactly how we scale each client on the LinkedIn side. So we're doing our clients LinkedIn and our Twitter, and we run these formulas separate because they're different platforms. And this is what's going on here. And this is why it's so powerful. So the other cool thing about LinkedIn is that when you are actually doing the DMs, like I said, the reason you're able to get this follower to call ratio so high is you're able to connect with them at a personal level. And the way you're going to actually see these leads is you can do it in the sales nav, but you could also just do it here in the notifications tab. You can actually see anyone who's viewed your profile. So you're going to want to get a Sales Navigator Core, or you're going to want to get LinkedIn Premium Career. Those are the two options. Premium Career if you're not going to use Sales Nav Core if you want to use the filter system. And I recommend Sales Nav Core, and I'm going to do a separate video on that, especially if you're going to be doing cold, because you're able to actually filter by people's positions. So you can actually reach out to the exact job description you're looking for in the exact location. But if you're not going to be doing cold, you can definitely get by with just the notifications feature, because there's 2 ways you're going to get a lot of your leads. So number 1 is going to be the people who viewed your profile. These people don't even have to follow you, and you can see that they've been viewing your profile or stalking you, etc. And they're obviously a little bit interested. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and send them a connection request. And then after they accept that connection request is when you're going to send the outbound message like, hey, saw you reviewing my profile, X, Y, and Z, pique their interest, have that conversation, be a human, and get them on a call. So here's the caveat. On the DMs, you can do 40 outbound connection requests a day, or 200 a week, 5 days a week. So whether you split it up and do 200 on a Monday or do 40 Monday through Friday, whatever, you do 200 a week, 40 a day here on the outbound connection requests. Now those inbound connection requests are going to be unlimited. That's a horrible unlimited sign. Unlimited inbounds. So the better your content, the more inbounds you're going to get. The more inbounds you're going to get, the more leads you're going to get. So you are capped on this 40 here on the outbound connection request, but you have unlimited inbounds. And between these two, this is where you're going to get a majority of your leads. Some people will also just inbound DM you. You can use your in-mail credits, but the thing is, the in-mail credits, you only get like 50. So we honestly don't even touch them. So your 2 targets for those 40 outbounds a day are going to be the viewers, and then it's also going to be the new followers. So if you scroll down and find one of these new follower notifications, you can actually see. So if you just click on one person, you're not going to be able to get the new follower list because you're just going to go straight to their profile. So the 2 ways you can get there is going to a multiple follower notification. So it should say like 1 or more people followed you. Let's see if I can find one here for you guys. And if not, it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's see, gained 1 follower right here. I found it. This and 1 other person followed you, and you're going to be able to view all your followers here, and you can see them most recently. You can go and connect with them here, or you can just go to your profile and click the follower button here. One of the caveats here is that in order to show your followers, and this is just a setting I recommend everyone turn on, you have to go to your settings and go to visibility and actually show your followers. So if you go settings, visibility, I think it's page visibility or something like, followers, sorry. And you got to show everyone on LinkedIn can see your followers and make follower primary. And it'll actually show up on your profile, because what a lot of you are going to have is just that connections, like 500 plus connections thing. So you want to have the actual followers here, make you look like an influencer, right? So Yeah, that is the main thing with the DMs, that 40 outbounds a day, and then you have infinite inbounds. You're going to be generating those leads as viewers and followers from this cadence. And then this is going to be the math you're aiming for to actually convert them. And this is how we achieve the numbers with our clients like this. So this client in particular has been generating anywhere from 20 to 50 calls a month. You could do the math on what they're able to generate on cash there. And that's just LinkedIn, and that's conservative. We're really not even pushing that hard on LinkedIn yet. So wanted to show you guys this. This is what we've been using to generate 100K a month plus from multiple clients on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, let me know. I plan on doing some more videos on LinkedIn, like sales nav, maybe some content related stuff. But if you have any questions specifically about LinkedIn, let me know in the comments and I will try to get back to them as soon as I can. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you later. Cheers.